This is my hunting necklace. I need it in order to hunt.
Popcorn wouldn't taste very good without this.
Pretty sure this is salt.
It looks like pink salt.
Pretty sure salt is pink.
It looks weird.
It feels
like
weird
one
too.
side's rocky and the other side just like flat.
The cure for an upset stomach. Okay, that's weird.
It's like metal.
They look like gummy bears.
Kind of like a rainbow.
I like the shape. I like the shape on the top.
All the things kind of like shooting out of it.
Yeah, and the color. They kind of look like upside down pyramids though.
They do look like
that are crumbling.
What color is the Wicked Witch of the West?
I'll get you, my pretty, and your little dog too.
Pretty sure it's green.
Have you guys ever seen an emerald?
Mm-mm.
Have you ever held one? No?
If we haven't seen one, then how could we have held one?
Wow, what do you say after that one? Brutal, savage, wrecked, absolutely taken down.
She's really hard. She's...
Same.
Yeah?
Is it the outside of gemstones like kind of rocky and then you break it open and the inside is a gemstone? So that's why there's black on here, I think. You wouldn't want to meet its owner. There are a lot of things you don't want to meet the owner of. Like a mean old horse. You don't want to meet the owner of that. You don't want to meet the owner of the horse because that person probably turned it into a mean old horse. Okay. Shark tooth.
Isaiah, what do you think that is?
It looks like a shark tooth.
It's a big shark tooth, isn't it? You guys ever seen a shark that big?
It's bigger than my mouth.
I think it'd be bigger than a car.
I'm pretty sure it would. It could be bigger than a building. Well, a small building. Depends on what size it is.
I think it's a shark.
It honestly could be anything. A tiger needs these to hunt. I'm gonna guess it's a claw. I'm pretty sure these are made out of tiger claws.
Hey guys, can I join?
Yeah.
All right, everyone.
Hi, Natalie.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Okay, so you guys have seen the YouTube channel, right? Couple times. We have 112,000 subscribers, but I'm trying to get more. So will you guys help me out? I need you to tell that camera to like, subscribe, and ring the bell.
You need to like, subscribe, and ring a bell.
All right, so I think we'll probably get more subscribers because you guys are really helpful. Okay, so I brought you my favorite thing today, and I really couldn't find a box that was big enough. If you guys had to guess, what do you think this would be?
Probably a gemstone.
Okay, Isaiah, what do you think?
Quartz, maybe?
Quartz? Point out the quartz part.
The inside.
That's pretty neat. Okay, you know what this actually is?
What?
Coral from under the sea. So you know what happened? It's really, really heavy. So you can kind of see this kind of looks like coral. Have you guys ever been to the ocean? Yeah, okay, so the coral.
It looks like spongy.
It does look like, Isaiah, you want to touch it? Would you ever guess that this is coral? No. Okay, so what happened was when the coral was fossilized, it was actually replaced with quartz. So good job. This right here is the coral part, and then this inside is the quartz.
So when it dies, quartz grow?
Kind of, yeah. Basically quartz, you had like really hot water filled with nutrients that kind of help gemstones grow, and that filled in the quartz. Pretty cool, huh? Do you know what this is called right here when that's kind of bumpy with all those crystals? It's called druzy. It's that rough. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Do you like it? Yeah. Would you want something like that in your house?
Yeah.
What's the first piece you guys want to talk about?
The first one we opened.
Okay. Isaiah, what did you think that was?
Salt.
You don't know? Didn't you tell me that your mom cooks with pink salt?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it's broken up.
Yeah, we're not going to break that up though, because I
Yeah.
think your aunt would not be very happy with me if
No.
we did that. Okay, so this is called halite, and it's actually salt.
The bumps kind of look like this, just smaller.
They do. Oh my gosh, look at you. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay, so that is because it has a similar, I guess it'd be like a crystal system. It's neat, isn't it? So the reason this is pink is because, like salt's usually what, kind of colorless?
Yeah.
Or maybe a lighter pink than this. It's because there's different elements that give it color. Yeah, what do you think is the coolest thing?
Kind of like this shape.
The
And
shapes.
then how it looks foamy on the bottom.
Okay, you want to know what the coolest thing about the shapes is though? That's what Mother Nature did completely. Like no one went in and carved that. It came out of the ground looking just like that. Show me another piece you guys want to talk about.
The emerald.
Okay, so you guys were both right. This is emerald. So what they do, this is a rough piece of emerald.
But
and-
you can smooth it out.
Yeah, so basically this is what comes out of the ground. It looks just like this, only this is a specimen. So because of you can see the crystal really well, and you have these two crystals right here, we're not gonna cut it. But if we did cut it, you would get rid of all the bumpy parts on the outside and you'd make it really, really shiny. Will you guys hand me the gummy bears?
They're in that box.
The not gummy bears, right?
They don't look like, well, they look like gummy bears. They just look,
They're shaped like
they don't look like gummy bears, but they're shaped.
They kind of do. I mean, look at it. I would never eat those, would you?
No, because it's obvious.
That they're
Not gummy
bears. Okay, so actually what this is, all this material, it's called bismuth.
Bismuth.
And you can actually grow it in your home, which I think is pretty neat. But the reason that we said it could help your stomach. Have you guys ever heard of Pepto-Bismol?
Yay, Pepto-Bismol!
You know, the really, really bright pink stuff?
No.
Yeah, we have it around.
You have it at home? It doesn't taste very good, does it? It kind of tastes like chalk, right? Okay, so obviously you're not gonna eat bismuth, but Pepto-Bismol and bismuth have a similar chemical
Tastes good.
composition, really? So that is why I think that's pretty cool that a medicine and basically a gem
Gummy bears.
have something in common. Isn't that neat?
Gummy bears don't help your stomach though.
No, I don't eat gummy bears when I have an upset stomach. I don't really like gummy bears. I like M&Ms.
Why would you say something so controversial yet so brave?
All right, pull me another. What else do you guys want to talk about? All right, so when we talked about tigers, when they hunt, you said claws. What did you think this is?
Everyone's claws or another tooth.
Another tooth.
It
Okay.
doesn't look like they're made.
Isn't the name of it tiger?
Yeah. How did you know that?
Last year they bought some.
They brought some in school. Does this look just like the tiger eye that you've got a really good memory. So this is called tiger's eye. You were right. And did you know this actually is similar to another thing in here? Do you know what that is?
Well, they don't look the same.
They don't, but they're actually both quartz.
Nice.
Isn't that neat? So what's really neat about this piece, tiger's eye, obviously tigers don't need necklaces to hunt.
Eyes.
They need their eyes, but this is not an actual
Okay.
tiger's eye.
This is my hunting necklace. I need it in order to hunt.
Okay, so actually this is a type of quartz. And you see how the light kind of like jumps off of it right there?
Yeah.
This has a really special structure, and you basically have like needles that are all aligned in the same way, and then the light can kind of jump off of it, and it gives us that structure. And the reason it's called tiger's eye is because it literally kind of looks like an eye is opening and closing. Do you know what that's called in gemology?
No.
It's called chatoyancy.
Chatoyancy. That's a weird word.
It is a weird word. Do you think if you could spell it, how would you spell it?
I would not smell it. I would not spell it.
Cool. Should we talk about the big tooth too? So there's a really popular song. It's called isn't there a shark song? Baby Shark?
Yeah.
Because this is actually a shark tooth. Did you know that?
Yeah.
This is called a Megalodon tooth, which is basically like a really, really old big shark. What do you think about that?
What should I think about it?
These, what did you call these again?
Indents.
Yeah, I think one of you said they were like stripes or something. Those are actually like the formation of the original tooth. So if you can imagine, like right that edge right there and that helped the shark bite down and eat, maybe not salmon, but some other fish. Coolest thing I think about this is that's like probably where this right there is like where the tooth was in its mouth.
Like the gum.
Yeah, I think that kind of looks like a gum, doesn't
Like
it?
right there.
Yeah, like right there. I wonder if this little guy had braces. Do you think they did big shark braces? No?
I don't think they would want to get near.
Would you want to get near his mouth?
No.
Okay, you want to know what's
Not
really...
even if I was a dentist.
Not even... Are you going to be a dentist when you grow up?
No.
Isaiah, what about you? No?
I don't want to touch people's mouths.
My brother did a presentation on Megalodon.
Really?
He had this picture of like the jaw of it, and he was bigger than like a person just standing up.
Yeah, what's really neat about this is not even the biggest Megalodon tooth. I've seen some pretty big ones. Did you ever see the jaw in person? They're scary looking.
I've seen shark jaws, like at museums and stuff.
Okay, so let's all pick our favorite pieces. You guys can pick first.
Like that.
You like this piece?
Yeah,
Do you think you can hold it? You want to try?
I like that piece too.
Okay, so then let's all hold this up to the camera. And then, Isaiah, why don't you point out your favorite thing on this?
The inside of it.
Audrey, what about you? What's your favorite part of this piece?
The inside and the outside and all of it.
All of it? Okay, my favorite part is how right here you can kind of see the original structure from the coral. And I like the druzy. I just bought something like that for my house that looks just like that.
I also like this piece because it's all spongy.
Kind of a sponge on the outside.
It looks foamy.
It does look like foam, doesn't it?
Bubble, bubble, bubble. Pop.
All right, everyone at home watching, I want you to take a closer look at this emerald and that color, because as you all know, emerald is probably my favorite gemstone because of the color.
I like this one because it has the shapes like the pyramid, like the upside down pyramids, like those. And then I really like the bottom because it looks like it's really foamy and it's really cool.
Okay, everyone, thank you so much for watching today. So in the comment section, send Isaiah and Audrey a funny face emoji as a thank you for being on YouTube today. We've got some really awesome videos coming up. Hopefully, I'll have you guys back on the channel again. Would you like that?
Yeah.
All right. I almost hiccuped there. I think I should probably go. Ready?
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you.